guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking. It's a little globe padlock. It's nice with the engraving, very much like your Yale type locks. I hope you can see that. It was a lock given to me by Kind Sonic on our UK Locksport forum, with a couple of other locks and other bits and bobs. It does have a working key. I should say 2 working keys. It's a little 5-pinner. I hope you can see that. It's the bitting on the key. Now it's strange because when you turn the key and open the lock, take the key out, the shackle will not push back into place. You have to turn it back to the lock position with the key, push the shackle in, and obviously turn the key back round. Sorry about the grubby fingers as well, guys. I've been repinning a lock for one of our new UK Locksport members, and in fact it's Phil, a colleague of mine at work who's joined the forum, new to Locksports, and I give him a few locks and some picks and he's just not getting the hang of it. So what I've done is just popped 2 pins in this sort of first 2, and just to show him a little bit about binding pins. So let's have a go at getting this open. I'm going to be using a Peterson pry bar and a little sort of reacher half diamond. I do have a couple of these, one in a set that Sonic also kindly sent me, and also one in my main kit, but it's sort of seen a few years of use, so it's got a bit of a bend, so I'm using this fantastic one that Capiche made me some time ago, handmade. So sort of light to medium tension. I'm going to start at the front. The tension wrench slips a tad because it's a small lock and difficult to sort of hold. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So I find sort of light to medium tension with this. There you go. It's picked open. And you'll see that sort of spin back round, but it won't actually lock back up until you get hold of the key, turn it, push the shackle in, let the key return back to normal. So that's a globe miniature padlock. It's about 30 or 40 millimeters. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.